Hey guys, so today we have this. It's a Yard Machines by MTD, front wheel drive, self-propelled, and powered by a Powermore overhead valve engine that's 139 cc's. Customer states, will not start. So what we're going to do in this video, we're going to give this mower a spring tune-up. That means changing out the Chinesium spark plug to an NGK, replacing the air filter and the engine oil. Plus, I lubricate all 4 of the lawnmower wheels. Well, let's crack into this and see if we can verify the customer's complaint about the fact that it will not start. Okay, let's pull the choke. Okay, choke is pulled. Yep, it's actuating the choke. Okay, let's see. Will it start? No, it will not start. Let's try it with the spark plug on this time. Okay, so customer's complaint, not verified. Mower runs just fine. Let's see if the self-propel works. Wonder if it'll start now that it's a little bit warm. Let's see. Nope, not yet. Choke is on. So, you don't need to go through the carb. That's a plus. We'll change the spark plug, change the air filter, and get that engine oil replaced. Right, let's crack into it. I was kind of hoping to do a little bit more to this, but at the same time, it's nice when it's just a really simple spring tune-up. All right, guys, let's crack into this beast. All right, let's get the filter installed. Next, the spark plug. Okay, just to make sure everything's still good. Choke is on. Pull the valve and yeah, sounds like she's working perfect, but don't know if you saw it fire out. Yeah, kind of sucked up a glove and fired it out the side, but other than that, doesn't seem to be much damage done to it. It's pretty crazy. Right, so I'm gonna fire it up again, let it get nice and hot, and then we'll drain the oil and give it a cleaning. And basically, that's it. There's not much else to it. Let's fire it up. Need the choke. Right, let me get the oil out and get a pan. See you shortly. Well. That oil's pretty dark. There, well that drains. Let's take a look under here. Ouch! Should be done draining now. A little bit of gasoline spilled out. Not a big deal. It smells like engine oil, so that means that there's no fuel in it. And looks like small engine oil. And I guess a little bit of gasoline did drip. Yep, a little bit of gasoline did get out. That's okay. So next, it's gonna take, I believe, 500 milliliters of 10W30, which is stamped also right there. It's a metric unit, so it's 500 milliliters, or 17 ounces for you American folk. Now we'll check the amount, and because it's a gray dipstick, this one you actually have to thread in. Nope, actually I'm wrong. It says here, you dip it. And we're perfect. All right, so let's fire it up with the fresh oil. Looks like its back skirt came off. Well, there we go, guys. Another one done. Not bad, not bad. Customer should be very happy with this one. Said it didn't run, but runs just fine. And it's definitely ready for another season. Pretty simple tune-up. So 500 mil of 10W30 or 17 ounces for you American folk. Brand new air filter and a new spark plug. Added some fresh fuel and, well, came with the bag. So yeah, I actually really like this mower. You know what? I'm starting to take back some of the things that I said about Powermore. To be honest, these engines, they're actually pretty solid. Surprisingly, they are quite solid engines. I mean, I kind of haven't found a dead one yet. They've all been really, really good. I mean, I don't really mean to be I don't mean to really praise these engines. I mean, I'm not the biggest fan of Chinese engines, but I must say this one is really good. This one is a very, very good engine. Let's see how they go in another 5, 6, 7 years, see how they are then. But as it stands now, so far, I think these ones are really giving Briggs & Stratton a run for their money. I really do. I never thought I would be praising a Powermore engine, but yeah, I've had some pretty good experience with these engines. They've just been solid. I mean, I've never actually had to crack into a carburetor to get it back going again because, well, to be honest with you, it seems like they just run. I don't know what it is. I really don't. The only Chinese engine I actually had an issue with was that Lawson copy from Weed Eater. That was terrible. Yeah, guys, this one, decent mower. Decent little mower. Customer should be very happy you get this one back. All right, guys. Well, spark plug off for safety.